Bola tug'ilgan kun yurish bilan charchamaydi. Oldingi safar Muhammad Ali bor edi, jo'rasini tug'ilgan kuni. Bu safar Bebishda dugonasini tug'ilgan kuni ekan. Dugonasi ham puxta ekan. Qadarkoma pul ber debdi. Assalomu alaykum. Qanday bo'ldi tug'ilgan kun? Hasan.
Good. I didn't have nothing. So first we went, and then I went, and then all the girls were outside. Like we just kept on walking around on the first floor for no reason. Then the two other girls that Sabina brought, they got 3 New Year stuff for their room to decorate.
Voy, shunda ham ko'p narsani xohlaysan endi, qizim.
It's for New Year.
New Year deysan, Thanksgiving deysan.
No Thanksgiving.
Yana nima deysan? Ishqim nima bayram bo'lsa, o'sha bayramga mos narsa.
Of course.
Narsa xohlaysan-da. Nima unaqasan, bebish?
What? I'm not allowed to? I mean,
No.
like it's New Year.
Okay,
Basically the definition of Christmas.
Aka bizda bayram emas-ku lekin.
But New Year is our. So I'm doing
New Year sad bo'ladi-ku. 1 yerga oldirga aylanib qolasan. 1 yil katta bo'lib qolasan. U yaxshimi? Men celebrate qilgim kelmay qolgan New Yearda. Reason 1 yerga qarib qolyapmiz. Maylimi? Sen katta bo'lib qolyapsan.
No. So
Yo, qilish kerak. Lekin
because we're not getting a tree.
kamgina vaqt oldin 2025 bo'ldi. Qara endi 2026 kelib o'tiribdi.
In 2025, you know how sad I was? We didn't even do anything, you know?
Shuning uchun men qilmay qo'yganman-da. Oldir bo'lib qolyapmiz deb. Xafa
Well,
bo'ldim.
no, we didn't do anything. When there was a countdown, when we even did the countdown, we didn't do anything. We just sat. Nothing was important.
Yo, mehmonga bordik-ku qarindoshlarimiz.
Before, and then after we came home, like we went before New Year, I think, and then in New Year we didn't do anything at all.
Okay. Nima qilishimiz kerak shunga? Qarib qolsak ham maylimi 1 yerga?
They took a picture of you.
Yo'q. Men Reminda yuraman, bilaman picture qila olmaydi. Remin yo'qlarni picture qilib oladi. Ko'pchilik O'zbekistonda belt taqmas ekan.
Look,
Yeah, beautiful book.
I got this.
Qanaqa trend ekan?
So we did a trend with me, Farzan and Laysan in ice skating. Wait, she sent to me in Telegram. She took a video. That's why. So
Sizlar trendchimi sizlar?
no, it's only one. It's a video, not a trend. Basically, a dance. Not even a dance. I know it's kind of bad. You know this one? You know this trend? Here.
Trendchi bo'libsizlarda.
You see? It's cool, right? And then we took
Kimdan
pictures.
chiqdi bu fikr?
We all wanted to do it a long time ago. And then we finally did it.
Yaxshi ekansizlarda.
And we only did one. We
Shuning
only
uchun ham hech tug'ilgan kundan qolmas ekansan-da, bebish.
yes. I'm gonna put this on YouTube probably.
Okay. Tug'ilgan kun dedimi borasan?